Welcome to the Trade Floor Options Trading Game, sponsored by the ASX. This video will introduce you to the game and help you get the most out of your experience. This is the dashboard, which gives you access to educational resources, watch lists, leaderboard, and a message board where you will get access to trading ideas and market information throughout the game. To start trading your virtual $50,000, click on the Start Trading button, which brings up the trading portal. Here, you will have access to powerful trading apps built by Trade Floor, the premier options trading platform in Australia. If you haven't traded options before, start with the Strategy Wizard, which will guide you through creating a basic options strategy with educational content to guide you. In the trading portal, you will also find links to the Strategy Builder, your portfolio, and if you choose to upgrade, the Advanced Charting module. For just a single payment of $19, you will receive access to exclusive trading tips and ideas helping you learn from a pro, and 2 months of streaming data within our award-winning charting package, which is a technical analyst's dream. Normally, this is valued at $230, so this is a great value add-on. Now, let's go to the Strategy Builder to begin building our first trade. Let's pick a stock by using the stock screener. This is a powerful tool which will help you find the most advantageous options trades in the market. When trading options and selecting strategies, it is important to understand implied volatility, which determines whether the option will be expensive or cheap. Using the stock screener, we can sort by implied volatility rank, or IV rank for short, which simply tells us whether implied volatility is high or low in a specific underlying based on the past year of implied volatility data. In this case, an IV rank of 0 means that IV is at the lowest level over the last 52 weeks. As implied volatility is cyclical, we generally look to sell options when IV rank is high and buy options when IV rank is low to increase our chances of profiting from the options market, giving us a trading edge. This data is exclusive to Trade Floor and you will not find it anywhere else in Australia. Clicking on the stock allows us to preview the price and volatility of the underlying security. Let's pick the stock and start building the strategy. Now, one of the easiest ways to do this is by using the options cookbook. In this case, let's assume that we expect the stock to move, but we don't really know whether it will go up or down and believe that volatility will return to previous levels. So, let's put that into our filters and select the appropriate strategy for us, the long straddle or strangle. You can click on the Learn More button to find out more about the strategy, and once you're happy with it, simply click Add to Portfolio, pick an expiry date, and the strategy is pre-built. Now, let's get our position sizing right. The buying power figure displayed here is how much money you can spend on options trades. It's kind of your cash balance, which is sometimes referred to as a shortage or excess figure. When you buy or sell options, you will pay or receive premium, and in some cases where trades are riskier, you'll also be charged a margin. In this case, as both option legs are bought, this is also the maximum loss that we can have on the strategy. At Trade Floor, as a rule of thumb, we suggest you risk between 1 to 5% of capital on a single trade. So, for a $50,000 account and 2.5% of risk, this figure should equal about $1,200 to $1,750. If you use the grid, you will see the profit and loss impact arising from changes in price and volatility. We want volatility to go back up to average in the underlying stock as we expected, and hopefully we also get some price movement in either direction. Now we can use the payoff diagram to understand the impact of time decay on our option strategy, which will accelerate as we get closer to expiry. We can zoom out and adjust the chart to show the detail we need. Once you're happy with the strategy, you can either execute from this screen or view it in the portfolio screen. The portfolio screen provides a set of sophisticated tools and widgets that will help you model, build, execute, and monitor your risk level throughout the duration of the game. The strategy is highlighted blue, which means it's added as a what-if strategy to our account, so it's not yet executed. We just want to see the effect of our strategy on our portfolio. You can see the changes to our cash values on the Cash Balance tab, And you can also see how the risk widgets to the right hand side react to this trade. The stress testing feature is a useful way to simulate the expected movement in margin and profit and loss in the event of the market moving. You can simulate the impact of a movement in price and volatility of the underlying index, individual securities in your portfolio, and or specific time. The change in margin can be found here, and the profitability of the strategy here. Margin valuations and profit and loss may move during the day, so to avoid finding yourself in a margin call and having your positions reduced, you should always have enough cash available to cover unexpected movements in the market. Once you're happy with the what-if strategy you've modeled, clicking Trade will display a review slip. Once you're happy with the trade, click Confirm Strategy and go to Execute Ticket. Just like the real market, you will see the current spread or bid-ask values. We have already built this as a tailor-made combination for you, or TMC for short, which will allow us to execute the whole strategy as a single trade. These values represent the best price that another market participant is willing to buy or sell the positions for. Please note that all orders are only valid for the day, so if you don't get filled, you will need to replace the order the following day. Let's place this order as is by crossing the spread, and we will immediately complete our order. You will now see it appear in the current positions box, which shows all of the options and equities positions that we have in the account. To help you make better trading decisions, a set of widgets has been provided on the right hand side, which will help you better manage your portfolio during the game. To learn more about each widget specifically, or for more help, navigate to the help screen. We wish you the best of luck in the game.